Here's some more of the shed being attacked. Don't know how well you can see it. I don't know what to put it there. It's gonna fall. Put it on top of the thing. Dun, dun, dun.
You making a video?
See what they're doing to it? They're attacking it. Let's go, Jason. Move your umbrella. They're attacking it.
Now it's starting to hurt.
They're burying it. The machine looks like it's gonna fall in.
Hopefully it doesn't, right?
That'd be bad.
Yeah, it would be very bad. I'm gonna play in the dirt after and dig it all up.
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah, look, he dug up bricks and stuff.
Nice.
Blocks, cinder blocks.
See, that's a big hole. We could bury somebody in there. Dun dun dun.